Done. Have you completed it?
Oh, sir, I have doubts.
Okay.
I will finish and I will ask you.
Tell me. Yes. Hello. Am I audible to you, Dorette?
I will yes, sir. I will finish and ask you. Sir.
Okay. You will finish the question first and then you will ask question.
Yes, sir.
Great. Have you completed?
Yes, sir. I completed, sir.
When? You didn't tell me.
Sir, I thought you were stuck, sir.
Okay. So,
No, sir. I sent it the message in chat box. So I thought you were facing difficulties.
no, I didn't receive message here. Wait 1 minute. Not received yet. Wait.
Okay, sir. Alright.
Okay, no problem. We will discuss the question here. Okay.
Okay, sir. I had doubt on the first two questions,
Okay. Tell me.
but the rest questions were I did it correctly.
Okay, so the first is check were paid into bank in March, but were credited in April.
Yes.
So what is the problem here?
No, sir. I'm just confused. Should we add all these and just put it in add column?
Okay, so first of all, yes, we are using bank balance, passbook balance. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is a passbook balance of 62,000 and check were paid into bank in March, but were credited in April. When we deposit check into bank, where is the impact?
When we deposit check into bank
Yes, where is the impact?
on the cash,
In the cash book. Okay, so it is added or deducted?
we should add it.
We should add it. Okay, so this is added in cash book, but not in passbook. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if it is not added in passbook, then what should we do to make it equal?
I don't know, sir. We should add it.
Okay, see here. Like this is your cash book, this is your passbook. Okay, you have added check deposited in cash book. Now you have passbook balance. To make it equal, what you have to do?
We have to increase it.
Because we are using passbook balance, so we have to increase the passbook also. Yes.
Yes.
So these amount will be added.
Okay, sir.
The second one. Please read the second one.
Check issued in March were presented in April.
Okay. So if you issue a check, where will be the impact?
On the bank, on the custom, on the bank.
If you issue a check to someone, then where it will be recorded first?
On the cash book, it will be recorded first.
Cash book or passbook?
On the passbook, sir. On the passbook.
You sure?
Yes, sir. They will give the check to the bank.
Okay. Who will issue the check?
The customer.
The customer. And if customer will issue the check, he will not record it.
He will record it if he has
So,
a company.
so where he will record it?
On the cash book.
So impact will be on cash book.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we issue check, we will decrease our cash book because when we issue check to someone, they will withdraw money from our account. So it will decrease our cash book. So cash book is decreasing. So we have to decrease our passbook also. So it will be deducted.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So these two entries are correct in your bank reconciliation?
No, sir.
Not correct.
No, sir. I minused the first question. I plus the second question.
Okay. Please correct these two.
Yes, sir. I corrected them.
Okay. Now the third one. Please
Check.
read the third one.
Yes. Check of rupees 1,000 received from a customer entered in the cash book, but was not banked. The check
Means
the
we
check
have not. Yes.
was not sent to the bank,
Yes.
so we will add it in the bank side, sir, to make it
Yes.
good. Yes, sir. And the second one was debit of rupees 1,000 and interest rupees 2,000. I
Okay.
debited 1,000 and credited 2,000, sir.
There is no debit and credit column in bank reconciliation statement. So
No,
you
sir.
tell me.
Debit means minus. I mean, debit means plus and credit means minus. I wrote it like that.
Okay. So you have added the bank charge of 1,000.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
You added 1,000 and deducted 2,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's correct.
Oh, yes, sir.
Next one.
Interest on investment collected by bank but not entered in cash books.
Okay.
We deducted, sir.
Interest on investment rupees 2,500 collected by the bank appeared in the passbook. So we have added this 2,500 in passbook. So now we have to deduct it. Okay, very good. So after adding all these, what is your answer? What is your debit balance as per cash book?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. For 59,000.
Yes, it is the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay. Now, after completing these two types of quotient, first was debit balance as per cash book, and the second is credit balance as per passbook. Now we have to use overdraft balance or negative balance as per cash book and passbook. So first, read question number 40.
Okay. One minute. On 1st January 2019, Naresh had an overdraft of rupees 40,000 as shown by his cash book in the bank column. Checks
Okay,
amounting
1 minute. 1 minute. What will be written in the starting for this overdraft
overdraft
balance?
as per cash book,
Okay, yes, you can write it overdraft as per cash book or credit balance as per.
credit balance. Okay.
Okay, next.
Check amounting to rupees 10,000 had been deposited by him but were not collected by the bank by 1st January 2019.
Okay,
Should I continue, sir?
yes.
He issued check for rupees 7,000 which were not presented to the bank for payment up to that day. There was also a debit in his passbook of rupees 6,000 for interest and rupees 500 for bank charges.
Okay, so this is our quotient. Now, I have told you that there is two methods to prepare the quotient of overdraft balance or negative balance. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the two methods that how we have to solve by these two methods? Don't remember.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in these type of quotient, we can do two things. Two methods we can use. Bank reconciliation statement as on. Now, name of the person is Naresh. So of Naresh, and then as on the date is first January. Okay, let's say on 30th, 31st. Now, first of all, credit balance as per cash. Now, the first method is we have to write the amount, the opening balance in negative form. Okay, in negative. Okay,
Yes.
so total amount is 40,000. And if we write this opening balance as for negative, then all other treatment will be same. Okay, as per cash. Okay. Now, on 1st January 2019, Naresh had an overdraft 40,000 as shown by his cash book in the bank column. Check amounting to rupees 10,000 had been deposited by him but were not collected by the bank. So if we deposit check into the bank, then we will increase our cash. Okay, but there is no treatment in passbook, so we have to decrease our cash. Yes, so for 10,000, it will be less. Check deposited but not cleared. 10,000. After that, on 1st January 2019, he issued check of rupees 7,000 which were not presented to the bank for payment up to that day. So check issued, because cash book is decreased, now we have to increase it. Check issued but not presented for payment. So the amount will be 7,000. Is this clear? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next is there was also a debit in his passbook of rupees 600 for interest and 500 for bank charge. So there is two items debited in passbook, means deducted from the passbook. So we have to deduct these two from our cash book also. So interest on overdraft and bank charge. These two items are debited. So amount is 605. So everything is written now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first item, this 7,000 will be written because there is only one amount. So the same amount will be written out, 7,000. And total of these three are 11,100. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you add these two, then how much amount we will get?
47,000.
47,000.
Yes, sir.
And after deducting these two, this from 47,000.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. $35,900.
35,009, but it is not correct because it is credit balance as per cash book. So we will get debit balance as per passbook. Yes.
Yes.
And our answer is 35,009. But you can see here, answer here is 44,001. So it is not correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the problem is here. You didn't consider the negative balance. Yes.
Yes.
If 40,000 is negative and 7,000 is positive, then it will not come to 47,000. It will be 33,000. Do you have any doubt how we got 33,000?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, actually there is combination of positive and negative. So 40,000 is negative and there is a positive 7,000. What will be the balance?
Oh, so we will minus it.
How much?
1 minute, sir. Let me see. 33,000.
33,000. So we have done the same in the question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is also negative. This bracket means negative, negative amount.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So after deducting this 11,100, how much amount we will get?
Half, we have to minus this 1 minute.
You have to think that because we have 33,000 in minus and we have 11,100 in minus.
$21,900.
It will be 44,001. How we got 44,000? Because minus and minus is plus. Okay.
Okay.
So 33,000 plus 11,100. Sign is negative, but we have to add this because there is two negative in the equation. So total 44,100. Now this is your solution. 44,100. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now there is one more method we can use to solve these type of question. Like we don't have to write this 40,000 in negative form. Okay.
We don't have to
No.
write it in negative.
Yes, in negative. We will change the situation little bit, but we don't have to write this in negative. In first case, in first type method, you can say, we have used negative balance as starting point, and then after we have added or deducted items from that amount. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we have not written this opening starting point in negative, then we have to change our situation, change our thinking a little bit. Like if we have issued check, let's say this is cash book, this is passbook. If we have issued check, then our cash book will decrease. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And to make it equal, we have to increase our cash book. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is added here.
Yes, sir.
But now, due to overdraft balance, if the answer is to add, then we will deduct the item. Okay, you have to do just opposite of what you have thought.
Okay.
Confused?
Yes, sir.
I told you that the thinking process is same. Okay, If the answer is that we have to add the item, then we will deduct it. Because due to negative balance, plus will convert it to minus and minus will convert it to
Plus.
plus. That's why if your answer is to add, then you will deduct the item. If your answer is to deduct, then you will add the item. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm doing something different in this question. Okay. Okay. So the first item is 10,000 had been deposited. So cash book is increased. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So cash book is increased, but now we have to
Decrease.
decrease it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we have to decrease any item, we should write it in less column.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But what I told you, if your answer is less column, then you have to add the item. Okay.
Okay.
Just opposite of what you have thought. Check deposited, but not clear. So 10,000. Now the second is check issued but not presented for payment. So if you issue a check, then cash book will decrease. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And to make it equal,
We have to increase the cash flow.
increase the cash book. Means we have to write it in add.
Column. But we will write it in less column.
Very good. Check issued but not presented for payment. 7,000. The next is passbook has debited. In passbook, there is a debit entry of interest 600 and bank charge 500. Okay. So there is deduction of amount in passbook. Okay.
Okay.
So there is two deduction. So due to this deduction, our passbook will decrease.
Yes, sir.
So what will we do?
We have to decrease our cash.
We have to decrease our cash. Means in the less column,
We have to decrease it, sir.
yes, it means it will be written in less column.
No, sir. It will be written in add column.
It will be written in add column. Why?
Because because it is overdraft.
Because it is overdraft. Very good. So interest debited by bank 600 and bank charge debited by bank 500. So total is 11,100 here and total here is 7,000. Now the balance is 40,000. It will be added. So it will become 51,100. Okay. And it will be 44,100. This is debit balance as per passbook. You understood the concept?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many methods are there to solve the overdraft balance portion?
2 methods.
The first one is
The normal method,
the normal method, which is
which is overdrafting it normally.
what we have to do.
I don't know how to. The first question, sir. Yes, sir. First question.
Actually, in first method, we have to write the starting point as negative.
Oh, okay, sir.
In previous part of this question, I told you that we will write this 40,000 in negative. Okay.
Negative. Okay.
Okay. And you don't have to change the side of items. If you write it as negative, then you have to do everything same, every other thing same as in cash book or passbook. Okay, you have to change the starting point only, nothing else.
Okay.
Okay, but in this type of method, in this method that we have used, what we have to do is we have to write the starting point as positive. Okay, there is no negative amount written as a starting point, and the item which should be added will be deducted, and the item which should be deducted will be added. Means you have to add or less the items in opposite form. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So the item which should be added will be deducted, and the item which should be deducted will be added here.
Okay. That is the second method.
Yes, this is second method.
Okay.
Okay. So in this question, you can see we have written all the items just opposite, because check deposited should be on the left side, interest debited should be on the left side, bank charge should be on the left side, but we have written all these items on the right side.
Yes. Yes.
So now tell me, everything is clear?
Yes. Kind
Okay, then if you have any confusion, you can ask.
For now, I don't have any confusions.
Okay, so I will share the homework. Now, please try to solve those questions, because if you will not solve the question, then you will forget the concept.
Yes.